Cube root, mainly by inspection and argumentation, well-known first principles. The lowest cubes, that is, cubes of the first 10 natural numbers are 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, and 10 cube is 1000. Thus, they all have their own distinct endings, and there is no possibility of overlapping or doubt as in the case of squares. Therefore, the last digit of the cube root of an exact cube is obvious. Cube ends in 1, cube root ends in 1. Cube ends in 2, cube root ends in 8. Cube ends in 3, cube root ends in 7. Cube ends in 4, cube root ends in 4. Cube ends in 5, cube root ends in 5. Cube ends in 6, cube root ends in 6. Cube root ends in 7, cube root ends in 3. Cube ends in 8, cube root ends in 2. Cube ends in 9, cube root ends in 9. Cube ends in 10, cube root ends in 0. In other words, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 repeat themselves in the cube ending, and 2 and 8, 3 and 7 have an interplay of complements from 10. The number of digits in a cube root is the same as the number of 3-digit groups in the original cube, including a single digit or double digit group if there is any. How to know whether given number is perfect cube or not? Number 1 cube is 1, digital root or Bijanka is 1, Bijanka is 1. Number 2 cube is 8, digital root or Bijanka is 8, Bijanka is 8. Number 3 cube is 27, digital root or Bijanka is 2 plus 7 equal to 9, Bijanka is 9. Number 4 cube is 64, digital root or Bijanka is 6 plus 4 equal to 10, that is 1. Bijanka is 1. Number 5 cube is 125, digital root 1 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 8, Bijanka is 8. Number 6 cube is 216, digital root is 2 plus 1 plus 6 equal to 9, Bijanka is 9. Number 7 cube is 343, digital root of Bijanka is 3 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 1, 0, 10. So Bijanka is 1. Number 8 cube is 512, digital root of Bijanka is 5 plus 1 plus 2, that is 8. Bijanka is 8. Number 9, 7 to 9, digital root is 7 plus 2 plus 9 equal to 18. So Bijanka is 9. 1 plus 8, 9. Number 10, cube is 1000, digital root or Bijanka is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 1. Bijanka is 1. Number 11, cube 1331, digital root or Bijanka is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 8. Bijanka is 8. Number 12, cube is 1728, digital root or Bijanka is 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 equal to 18. That is Bijanka is 9. Number 13, cube is 2197. Digital root of Bijanka is 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 equal to 19, that is 1 plus 9, 10 equal to 1 plus 0, that is Bijanka is 1. Number 14, 2744, digital root of Bijanka is 2 plus 7 plus 4 equal to 17, that is Bijanka is 8. Number 15, cube is 3375, digital root of Bijanka is 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 equal to 18, so Bijanka is 9. Number 16, cube is 4096, digital root of Bijanka is 4 plus 0 plus 9 plus 6, that is equal to 19, that is 1 plus 9, 10, equal to 1 plus 0, so Bijanka is 1. Number 17, cube is 4913, digital root of Bijanka is 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 17, Bijanka is 8. Number 18, the cube is 5832, digital root of Bijanka is 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 18, so Bijanka is 9. Number 19, cube is 6859, digital root 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9 equal to 28, that is 2 plus 8 equal to 10, so Bijanka is 1. Number 20, cube is 8000, digital root is 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 8, that is Bijanka is 8. Number 21, cube is 9261, digital root is 9 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 equal to 18, that is equal to Bijanka is 9. And number 22, cube is 10648, 10,648. So digital root is 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, that is equal to 19, that is 1 plus 9, 10 equal to 1 plus 0, Bijanka is 1. The above table gives numbers from 1 to 22, cube of each number and digital root of the cube. We find that digital roots of each and every cube are 1 or 8 or 9, which means when digital root of a given number is not 1 or 8 or 9, then that number is not a perfect cube. However, it does not mean that when digital root is 1 or 8 or 9, the number is a perfect cube. For example, digital root of 9999 is 9, but it's not a perfect cube. Next, the first digit of the cube root will always be obvious from the first group in the cube. Thus, the number of digits, the first digit and the last digit of the cube root of an exact cube are the data with which we start when we begin the work of extracting the cube root of an exact cube. Unlike square root, calculating cube root is very complicated. So initially, we try to find out cube root of perfect cubes by Vilokanam without doing any calculation. Example, find out cube root of 9261. Step 1. Divide the number in 3-digit groups, that is 9 and 261, or 9 to 61, two groups. Step 2. Rightmost group is 261. Since last number is 1, it is obvious that cube root of this number is 1. So 261 cube root is 1. Step 3. Number in second group is 9. Biggest cube root less than 9 is 2, whose cube is 8. So that is 2 cube is less than 9. Step 4. So cube root of 9261 is 21 cube. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Example 1. Find out cube root of 5832. Groups. 5 and 832. Last group 832 ends with 2. So last number of cube root is 8. First group is 5. So 1 cube 1 is less than 5. So 1 is less than 1 cube is less than 5. Cube root of 532 is 18. 1 and 8. 18. Second example, find out cube root of 74088. Groups are 74 and 088. Last group 088 ends with 8. So last number of cube root is 2. So 088 group cube root is 2. First group 74 less than 74 is 4 cube 64. Biggest cube less than 74. So 4 cube is less than 74. That is 4 cube less than 74. So cube root of 74088 is 42. 4 and 2. 42 cube. Example 3. Find out cube root of 205379. Groups are 205 and 379. Last group is 379, ends with 9, so last number of cube root is 9. First group 205, let the highest cube less than 205 is 5 cube, that is 125, which is less than 205. So 5 cube less than 205. So cube root of 205 379 is 59. 59. Find out cube root of 262 144. Groups are 262 and 144. Last group is 144, ends with 4. So last number of cube root is 4. First group 262, highest cube less than 262 is 6 cube, that is 216, which is less than 262. So 6 cube less than 262. So cube root of 262 144 is 64. 6 and 4, 64. Example 5. Find out cube root of 614 125. Groups are 614 125. Last group is 125, ends with 5. So last number of cube root is 5. First group 614, that is highest cube below 614 is 512, 8 cube. So 8 cube is less than 614. Cube root of 614 125 is 85. 8 and 5, 85. Example 6. Find out cube root of 884 736. Groups are 884 and 736. Last group is 736, ends with 6. So last number of cube root is 6. First group 884. Highest cube less than 884 is 9 cube 729, which is less than 884. So 9 cube, 9 is the cube root. So cube root of 884736 is 96. 9 and 6. If we know cubes of numbers up to 22 and are asked to find out cube root of 7-digit number, then only rightmost 3 digits are taken as a group and balance 4 digit forms another group. We need not divide it into 3 digit groups. So example 7, find out cube root of 1259 712. Groups are 1259 1259 and 712. Last group is 712, ends with 2. So last number of cube root is 8. First group 1259, highest cube less than 120, 1259 is 1000, that is 10 cube. So 10 cube is less than 1259. Cube root of 1259 712 is 108, 10 and 8. Example 8, find out cube root of 1442 897. Groups are 1442 and 897. Last group is 897, ends with 7. So last number of cube root is 3. First group 1442, highest cube below 1442 is 1331, that is 11 cube. So 11 cube is less than 1442. Cube root of 1442 897 is 113. Exercise, calculates cube root of the following numbers: 1 103823, second 12167, third 474552, fourth 195112, fifth 857375, sixth 79507, seventh 13824, eighth 830 ninth 27841, 10 97336, 11 117649, 12 636056. Similar to finding square root of non-perfect square number, we can calculate cube root of non-perfect cube. In this case also, the number should be near to a perfect cube. Example, suppose you have to find out cube root of 220. Step 1. Find nearby perfect cube. In this case it is 216. Second, calculate difference between perfect cube and the number minus 220. So 220 equal to 216 plus 4. Step 3. Write cube root of 216 plus 4 divided by 3 into 6 into 6. That is 6 plus 4 divided by 3 into 36 equal to 6 plus 1 by 27. The difference is to be divided by 3, fixed for all calculations with any number, and square root of cube root of perfect cube. In this case, perfect cube is 216, so cube root is 6, square of cube root is 6 square 36. So step 4 answer is cube root of 220 equal to 6.037. 1 by 27 is 0.037. Example 1. Find out cube root of 35. 35 is 27 plus 8. That is cube root is 3 plus 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 square, that is 9, equal to 3 plus 8 by 27 equal to 3 plus 0.296, that is equal to 3.296. Second example, find out cube root of 702. 702 is 729 minus 27, that is 9 cube is 729 minus 27. So 9 cube root minus 27 divided by 3 plus 9 square 80, 3 into 9 square 81 equal to 9 minus 1 by 9. 27 divided by 3 into 81 is 1 by 9. So that is equal to 9 minus 0.111 equal to 8.889. Example 3. Find out cube root of 1140. 1140 is 1000 plus 140. 1000 is 10 cube. So 10 plus 140 divided by 3 multiplied by 10 square, that is 100. So 10 plus 14 by 30, that is equal to 10.467. Example 4. Find out cube root of 1.19016. So 1.19016 equal to 1. 1 is cube 1 plus 0.19016. That is 1 cube root plus 0.19016 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 square, 1 again. So that is equal to 1 plus 0.06339 equal to 1.0634. Now fifth example, find out cube root of 7.76. 7.76 equal to 8 cube of 8, a cube of 2 minus 0.24, that is cube root is 2 minus 0.24 divided by 3 into 2 square 4, that is equal to 2 minus 0.24 divided by 12, that is equal to 2 minus 0.02 equal to 1.98. Example 6. Find out cube root of 215.64. 215.64 equal to 216 minus 0.36, that is equal to 6 cube root of 216. 6 minus 0.36 divided by 3 into 6 square, 36, that is equal to 6 minus 1 over 300 equal to 6 minus 0.003, that is 5.997.